This week I'm testing the BMW X7. It's a big 7-seat SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the X7, in the third row, there are top tethers and ISOFix for both those third row seats. And I could fit 2 full-size forward-facing child seats back there, which is fantastic. In the second row, there are ISOFix in the 2 outer seats with in-plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to, and top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 second row backrests. Now I could install 3 child seats in the second row there, which is fantastic. It's a 5-seat family car, which is great. Now, I did find a couple of limitations. To access that third row, there is a really good electronic mechanism that brings these seats forward. Now, that works with a forward-facing child seat, not a rear-facing, unfortunately. And I also found it only really works if you've got 2 child seats installed in the back here, 1 in each of the outer seats, not with the third one in the centre because it obstructs the mechanism working. I also found with a forward-facing child seat in the third row, rear-facing in the second row, we could get a 180 centimetre passenger in the driver's seat, which is fantastic. Storage in the back of the BMW X7 is very good. In the third row, there are cup holders on both sides. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In the second row here, there are map pockets in the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. In the back of the central console box, there's a phone area and you've got USB and 12-volt sockets there too. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. And there's a lidded tray behind them that will hold your mobile phone. The door bins in the back are a really good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad easily fits too. And there are the little handle door pockets as well. Storage in the front is very good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They are heated and cooled, which is really nice. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a cordless phone charging well, and there's a USB socket there too. The central console box is a really nice size in here, and you've got USB sockets in there. The glove box will hold an iPad and my wallet with the manual, which is great. There's no sunglasses case in the ceiling, but there is a line drawer down by the driver's right knee. And the door pockets are a good size in the front here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad easily fits in there. And there's the little handle wells too. The boot door of the X7 opens and closes electronically and there's no beep, which is fantastic. There's also a little tailgate section to the boot, which is nice as well. Stop things rolling out. Now, there's 2 parcel shelves that come with the X7, which is fantastic. They're just stored underneath the boot here, and there's a cargo blind. But I really like this little one for when using all 7 seats because it keeps privacy for your valuables in the boot. There are controls on the left-hand side of the boot here, so you can raise and lower the second and third row seats electronically. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When using all 7 seats, it will hold 7 shopping bags, or the Urban Jungle single stroller and 1 shopping bag, or the Nano compact stroller and 3 shopping bags, or a small dog. When only using 5 seats, it will hold 18 shopping bags, or the Duet twin stroller and 7 shopping bags, or the Tandem stroller and 11 shopping bags, the Urban Jungle single stroller and 10 shopping bags, or the Nano compact stroller and 16 shopping bags, or a large dog. The X7 is a really nice car to drive. The steering is really light for a big car, and also the visibility is fantastic too. The media system in the X7 is really nice and easy to navigate and to use. I could connect my phone to it easily, and you can have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto added for an extra $600. There's a couple of great features in here. One, you can control the volume of your music just by turning your hand in front of the screen like this. Second one is you can control the aircon for the rear 2 rows of seats just through the media screen here, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is really lovely and clear, and you can change the view of the camera just by pressing on it here. So to sum up with the X7, what a family SUV. 5 child seats, great media system, great boot space. It's really fantastic. Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.